Here's everything you need to make these snowflakes from paper bags. So you need 8 bags, a good pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks. And that's it. You may recognize these bags, and yes, they are airline barf bags. But before you come at me, I only take the one that's in front of my seat. So before you accuse me of stealing airline barf bags, I paid for this barf bag. I paid for my seat. So I am not collecting them from any other seat but my own. So do you think that this bag comes with the seat that you pay for? Because I kind of do. Anyway, the first thing you're gonna do is remove the tie, because we do not need that. So I'm just carefully removing these. They peel right off, or you can cut them. If these bags have a little bit of kind of more of a plasticky feel than paper, if your bags are paper, then you may want to cut them off. So you need 8 bags per snowflake. I collect these all year from all of my travels. So this one's not coming off very well. So if I have a long flight with a connection and I'm going there and back, that's already 4 bags, just one from each flight. And sometimes I forget. If I'm traveling with my husband, then he'll grab the one in front of his seat as well. But yeah, people have gotten mad that I take these, but I've also got bags from craft stores if I find them on sale. Like gift bags work really well, and sometimes you can buy like a whole pack of them in the same color. But yeah, anyway. Okay, this one did not come off very well, but that's okay. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. Just wanna make sure the edge is clean. Actually, that's gonna get cut off anyway. Okay, moving on, next. So yeah, you can use gift bags, you can use bags of any size, any color. I like just white because they are snowflakes, but you can certainly do colors to match the decor for the season or the other things on your tree. I like to put them on my Christmas tree, but you can also hang them wherever you want. They look really nice on the mantle or going up a staircase. You can hang them from the ceiling with fishing line. You can add lights to them. You can do lots of different things. But I like just sticking them up on the tree, especially if you have a really big tree. These help take up some space because they're pretty big. So I didn't want to buy a bunch of small ornaments because we have like a 12-foot tree, and it's hard to fill up a 12-foot tree with small ornaments. So these big snowflakes definitely help. I also make them out of full-size grocery bags. So like whenever I go to the grocery store, if I forget my reusable bags, I will get the paper bags and then I will reuse those and turn them into giant snowflakes. Okay, so we got all of the twist ties off of the bags. Now we're ready to start gluing. So we're gonna glue on the side that has the bottom flap all over. So all I'm gonna do is run a bead of glue down the middle and across, and then just lay one right on top of another. Is my glue gun on? No. Now it's ready. Okay, so just one bead of glue down the middle, and already need another stick of glue. Just throw that in there. I love this glue gun. It is the best. Okay, so you're gonna wanna just make sure you line these up as best you can and squish it down and repeat. So we're gonna do that for all 8 bags. And just lining them up. These are so easy to make. And you'll see why you only want to put the glue here at the end. When you unfold it, it will make sense. Okay, 2 more. Last one. All right, we are done with the glue. Turn that off. And now, so you can see it's going to open this way. Okay, so now we need to start making the shape. So we're gonna cut at an angle. We're gonna make this into a point. So I'm gonna start about halfway down and go up to about the middle, and I'm just gonna eyeball this. It doesn't need to be perfect. That's the other nice thing about these. You will want some good sharp scissors for this, and you know, if you want to be a little bit more precise, you can certainly draw where you want to cut, just so you get it a little bit more accurate. But even that is semi-accurate, but again, it does not need to be perfect. So this paper is actually really easy to cut. Okay. Oops. Did a very good job there. I do have a giant paper cutter. I probably should use that, but better for demo purposes. Not everyone has a giant paper cutter laying around. Okay, so I'm gonna throw away these scraps. So the other nice thing about these is they store just like this. So they store nice and flat so that you can put them away and reuse them every season. So again, it's gonna open up like this, right, all the way around, and we're gonna make some extra little cuts in here to give it some shape. So again, if you want to draw these out, you can. I'm just going to do a couple little like notches like this. Okay, you could also put some shape into this part, right? So if you want to do some little like wavy lines or something like that, you definitely can do that. So I'll do like couple little like indents like this, something like that. We'll see how that looks. So the other fun thing is you can play around with the patterns, and you'll see it when you open it up. It makes it look really cool. Just cut out a little notch. You can do different sizes. You do want to do the same on both sides. I feel like the symmetrical looks better, but you do what you like. Cut out a little notch. Get it all. Go. Cut some little round pieces here. Okay, clean up my mess. Okay, so here's the fun part, is opening it up. Oh, so I don't think I cut down far enough, actually. So we may have to open this up just a little bit more. Oh, I see what's happening. It actually glued through the bags. Something's stuck together a little bit too much. So like this part's supposed to be glued together, but this part is not. So I'll just have to open that up. There we go. So that's because these bags are like kind of plasticky, but that's okay. It's just separating them out here. So the part that's supposed to be glued together, you can see, and then where it's stuck, I'll just open it up. There. So I guess my hot glue gun was a little too hot. There we go. Now we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. Okay, I think I got them all now. Okay, try this again. So, if your glue is not melting your plasticky bags, then you'll be able to open it up just like that. And there is your paper bag snowflake. So you can definitely glue down, you can glue this together, but I like to just tape it together because then, like I said, then when I want to take them down and store them, I can store them flat. But if you glue it together, then they're gonna be all puffed up. So I don't want them to be all puffed up. So I just take a little bit of clear Scotch tape, and I'll just tape it together where these two need to connect, and you won't be able to see the tape because it's clear, and just do a little fold over here, and that's going to hold it together. And then obviously I need to do a couple more where these need to stay connected. So just a couple little pieces of tape, and it'll hold it together. And a couple on the ends here. So then when I want to take it apart, I'll just cut these pieces of tape. It's real easy. Do it on the other side as well. Right here. There we go. So there is your finished snowflake. So the nice thing is they look really good on both sides. They look the same. So if you're hanging them from the ceiling, they look good when you walk by on both sides. This is what it looks like here, so you can see like the opening of each bag. But yeah, they're really easy to make and super fun and make really great holiday decor. I'm also gonna do a tutorial with the big grocery bags, but the process is exactly the same. But I like this difference in size and the contrast of like the brown and the white snowflakes. So they look really good. All right, that is it. Enjoy making your paper bag snowflakes. I would love to see your finished snowflakes and how you use them to decorate for the holidays. You can find me and tag me on social media. I would love to see your projects. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY projects. Happy holidays.